Hello, everyone. Today I am going to do a review of WordHero AI Writer's Content Rewriter v2. It's a tool to rewrite the content that we copy from others. So I will show you my daily work and do plagiarism checking. The content output is similar but not the same as spin text. Sometimes it will use some creative way to write our content, so we should be more careful. We need to audit the content. I copied the news from the China Sewing Machine Association's official website. I did more infographic work and tried to explain it in more detail. The content rewriter tool has 380 characters input limitation. Usually, I will copy just 2 or 3 sentences to rewrite. Then I leave the original content to compare with rewriting versions. To do the review, I did not delete a paragraph that I copied. See whether the plagiarism detector can find out where I am copying. So I am showing my last paragraph for the news. It's generating 3 different versions of rewriting content. And I just pick one randomly. Then I realized there are some mistakes regarding the original content. Such as the AI is making a mess of the month-on-month and year-on-year comparison. I usually would not pick this version. It's to show you the difference between AI rewrite text and spin text. So let's just copy the most satisfying version and move on to plagiarism checking. Today I am using 2 free online plagiarism checking tools for double contrast. I will leave their links below in the video description. One is Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker, and the other one is plagiarism-detector.net. Remember, I did not delete a piece of content I copied from CSMA's website. Therefore, there should be plagiarism found in the first round. Here we can see that Grammarly is showing a significant plagiarism found. But the free version is showing nothing about the details. And I have to say, Grammarly's checking is particularly strict. Even though other tools say 100% unique, there would be a plagiarism found in Grammarly. And plagiarism-detector.net will be taking a long time. Should be 200 words per minute for the free version. Regardless of the 1000 words per input limitation, it will mark which part of our content is plagiarism. And yes, it finds out what I did not delete. And the test shows now only the content I did not delete is a plagiarism piece. For 100% sure, let's delete that content and test again. And the Grammarly says it plagiarism found. It is okay, because it is inevitable for writing the same content on the same topic. Even in manual writing, somebody else just uses the same sentences as mine. Finally, plagiarism-detector.net tells me 100% unique content. So what do I feel about Content Rewriter v2? I love this tool. Because it's using a plagiarism-free technology instead of simply replacing some keywords. We just pick what has been rewritten and do some slight editing, we are good to go publishing our content.